Hi, my name is Jen Redfern, and I serve as the Senior STEM Specialist for the North Carolina Center for the Advancement of Teaching. And in that role, I support science and STEM teachers across the state of North Carolina with high yield, hopefully, professional learning. We are in a very interesting place in science education in North Carolina. We have new science standards. And the science standards are focused on the three dimensions of science education. So, cross cutting concepts, disciplinary core ideas, and science and engineering practices. And so, in my travels across the state while I'm serving teachers, what I found is that a lot of science teachers are really good at using models, right? And science educators, that's what we do. I know for me, like the cell diagram of the cell was my pride and joy when I was a student and when I was a um, and so we're using models, but we're kind of missing the mark on developing models around scientific phenomena. And so the purpose of my session would be to provide like low prep but high yield strategies around developing models around scientific phenomena. And then also how to leverage student thinking to lift the content. So making thinking visible, sharing ideas. And so that would be the ultimate goal of my session is just really to back up and bolster SEP number two, developing and using models, and then also to connect educators with resources that support that science and engineering practice. And so my session could really support K-12 because I've seen the little babies develop models, and that's fabulous. But I've also seen the big kids develop models. And so there's strategies that would be embedded in my session that would cover K-12. So thank you so very much for your consideration, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.